My name is Edison Lu. I'm coming from Malaysia. I came to China in 2006, choosing China mainly because China is the most energetic country, most supply. Actually, my origin is from China, my ancestors, so I definitely choose to come back here. I believe people who need to know about history before they can move forward. China has 5,000 years of history, really teach us a lot. This is a place for people like us to come here to explore, to gain more experience, getting more chances in the business world. Now, I believe people all over the world cannot live without China. We choose here in Guangdong, in Foshan City, Sunde. Over in Sunde is one of the best supply chains in the world for furniture, actually. That's why we have good supply, we have good weathers, and then we have a lot of skilled workers because here is one of the world hub for furniture makings. So we can have a lot of skilled workers. So these are the main three things that actually drew us to come here to set up our manufacturing plants. When we come into China, we come to know about China's employer actually want to give much more better environment for their employees because of the habit of having a nap during lunch time. So they need office chair whereby can provide a better way for them to rest. So that's why we explore, we design and develop those kind of chairs that suit them. Because as we know, China is having a 1.4, 1.5 billion people's market. It's one of the biggest market in the world. That's why our focus on the market, on developing new products actually based on China, mainly for China. As I mentioned before, all this while is actually the China market is actually shaping how we as a manufacturers develop new products. Sunde, to compare to other cities around the world, actually Sunde is quite developed. That's why I feel that I'm very proud to be part of this past 10 over years of development happened over in Sunde. People around here, they are really friendly. You feel very warm. Although I'm a foreigner in Foshan, but I can feel at home. So I believe those are a few things that can do a comparison for Foshan and different places, different cities all over the world. We're really proud of that. So those kind of home feelings you can't really get from different places, different countries. This is where we started from. This is where we come back for.